Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I would like to share you about simple continuous suture. So I hope that you can understand better after you watch this video. So at the very beginning you can start with the simple interrupted suture, and you can only cut one side of the thread at the first as the videos, and then you can continue with the same pattern as above, until you can reach the end of the wound. Make sure you take a small bite in the edge of the wound, approximately around 0.5 centimeter from each part of the wound, from each side as the videos above. And also, as you know, that simple continuous is the same as simple running or running suture. It means we do the same pattern and we cut all the thread until it closes the wound. You can take a small bite at the first part of the wound edges and then continue with another part, or you can directly go through the wound part. You can see from the videos, if everything is closed, the wound, then you can make a knot several times. Make sure using the surgeon's knot at the first time and then the square knot for the rest, and then you can cut it and finish. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment below if you have something to ask. Thanks for watching.